Hey guys, I'm Paridhi from the team at Bombay Shaving Company, and this Father's Day, I'm going to share a super secret that I'm using to gift my superstar something to get him a little bit more interested and involved when it comes to skincare. And the way to do that, I've realized, is with the help of his favorite superfood. And talking about superfoods, I'm gonna gift him the skincare and pamper kit from Bombay Shaving Company, which comes with a customized black sleeve. And since black is his favorite color, I don't think there could have been something better to get him excited about it. Now there is this super classy black box which contains all the products, and if you haven't already guessed, the superfood that I'm talking about is none other than coffee face wash. Now this is an extreme essential when it comes to reviving dull and tired skin, right? It contains coffee extracts which helps in increasing the blood circulation and is also a great source of fading away those age spots that helps your dad basically retain his youthful look. Moving on, there is the coffee face scrub, which is a great source of natural exfoliation. It helps get rid of those dead skin cells, those blackheads, those whiteheads. And if your dad's more of an adventure person, or if he likes staying outdoors, this is definitely great when it comes to detanning as well. Talking about taking care and protecting the skin, no regimen is complete without the face moisturizer, right? And this face moisturizer contains 5 essential oils and no chemicals that help in retaining moisture through the day. Now the best part about this kit is the fact that there is also a charcoal face sheet mask which again contains coffee extract. The best part, honestly, according to me, is a little something which this kit also includes, right? Which makes it the most exciting part about it is this perfume, which is Veleno. It is a fine blend of fruity and spicy notes. It's just a tiny way to get him a little bit more excited, a little bit more pepped up. That for me seals the deal. It costs $17.87, is available on bombayshavingcompany.com along with other e-commerce channels. Makes this the perfect gift kit for my dad. If you're looking for shaving, beard, skincare and more Father's Day gift kits, please do check out. We do offer fast shipping, free delivery.